Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is laundry motivation. I have tons of laundry to get done today because I just didn't do laundry for several days, and several days means that it backs up completely. I'm going to show you the hampers in just a minute, but we also will be refilling the pods. I have several loads left in here, but it's pretty low, and I think I'm going to get a different kind of beads today at Target. So I think they have their deal where you buy 3 products. It's either laundry products or something else, and you get like a $10 gift card for your next purchase. So my plan is to get some laundry going, which I've already actually started a load, and the dryer just stopped and the washer just stopped. I have a huge load on the dining room table, and I'll show you that in a minute. But anyways, I'm going to show folding, putting away, washing, drying, all of it, and then we'll do a Target stop. I don't know if I'll record that or not. I might show y'all what they have, and I'm going to fill these up. I had saw a new jar. I told y'all I've been waiting to get the one that matches from Target, and they had them. I bought one, got it home, it was cracked, and so I returned it to exchange it, but I just went ahead and returned it, and that way I didn't have to go back and forth. Well, when I got to that department area or whatever where they were completely out. So the website says they have some in stock, but I don't know because I just checked like a few days ago, so I don't know if they really have any more or not. But I want to get a new one and exchange this one out, and I'll probably use this for something else. I've been thinking about getting a box of Borax. I have never used it to clean, but it's something you can add to your washing machine with clothes. You can also use it to clean the floors in the kitchen and or not the kitchen, but the bathrooms, and use it everywhere. I think it's kind of like an all-purpose cleaner, but I don't know. I was just saying that might be something I could put into a jar if I want to use it regularly. But anyways, stay tuned and let's get into this video.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with.
Real quick, this is what I'm working with. It's actually not too bad. I have, these are clothes and these are towels, and I've combined all the boys' clothes, dirty clothes, in these, so it's not too bad after all. I have one going in the washer, a load in the dryer, and then all of this to do. So right now I'm just kind of at a standstill with that, but I have plenty to keep me busy right here. So I'm gonna start getting these folded and put away.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. start a life in the country. I could say yes to that, whatever way you want me. I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I changed up everything except my name, we will still be fighting, cause I am still the same. I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but some things stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but some things stayed the same.
So we just got back from Target and I'm going to show you some of the things I got. But first, there's Jack. He got one of these mess-free Color Wonder coloring page things. So he's working on that. But, oh, and I did not record at Target. I forgot totally, but I got the Spring Daydream ones, and they're going to look exactly like the ones I have. As far as color goes, they did have Borax, so I bought one of these, and it's powder. And I also went ahead and got this Spring Daydream. I almost think I've had pink before, but maybe I haven't.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat.
So they did have a few extra jars today, but I was like really picky because see how the top knob, this one isn't the straightest either, but like the smaller ones were so crooked. I just cannot buy it. My OCD was like not having that at all. So I'm gonna continue to do my laundry and see how much of this I use, which I'm not trying to use all of it. And then I still have 14 pods left, and I don't think I have 14 loads of laundry to do. I probably will try to do the boys' bedding.
I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing.
update. Still have all the clothes to do. That's probably 2 or 3 loads, and my towels are done. So I'm gonna go put this basket back up and fold these clothes, and I have the washer and dryer going.
Can't you see I want you? I believe 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah, we do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heartbeat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you.
So if you're like me and you really didn't know what borax was used for, it is a detergent booster and multi-purpose household cleaner, and as the box says, it helps remove stains and neutralizes odors. This box I got at Target. It was the only size they had. It's 4 pounds 1 ounce, and it was about 4 something. I'm basically trying it out just because I've seen other people use it here on YouTube, and if I can get it to focus, I wanted to show y'all what all it does. It says 1 ingredient, many uses, laundry, bathroom, and kitchen use. I don't think it's going to focus, but it says mattress odors, garbage pails, outdoor furniture, tile and grout, refrigerators, stainless steel, pots and pans, microwave, and fine china. So I won't be using it on fine china anytime soon, but I think I really want to try it on the tile and grout, because our grout in the kitchen and bathrooms are very dirty. So that might be helpful for us. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see if I can put some into the canister.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are. You would like me just the way I am.
Okay, so this is the next day, and I've just kind of gathered everything that piled up from yesterday, and so I have a little bit more to do. I just took these towels out of the dryer. I'm going to fold these and get some more started.
I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.
The washer going, dryer going, everything's folded. I have this one small load left, so I went ahead and just took it out of my basket here, so it's ready to go. I'm going to put the basket up and put these clothes up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's laundry motivation. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!